Hey y'all, so I just got my package in the mail. We're gonna go ahead and unbox and put it together, and then I'll get back and we'll show you the finished product and how I organized everything. Also, if you're interested in this smoky eye look, I'll put the link up here for that. So just so you can see what a mess my makeup vanity is. I mean, I've got makeup everywhere. I can hardly function. So what we're gonna do is put this thing together, and hopefully it's not too crazy complicated, which it probably is. But strangely enough, is it weird that I like enjoy putting together things like that? I don't know. I like figuring it out. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so y'all, I got all my stuff took out. I've got it all sorted out in little piles. Y'all, I don't see no directions. I done been through this whole box and no directions. This is gonna be fun. Maybe it's in one of these little boxes of hardware, I hope. Okay, so this is just wheels. Yay! Okay, so they were in this little box that was taped to the other box, and there they are. So, and then we got more hardware. Let the fun begin. Y'all, my hands are raw from doing that. That was my least favorite part. They smell like grease or oil or whatever it is all over them parts, but it's done. The wheels are on. So yeah, I must have lost my ever-loving mind thinking I could screw these all together with my hands. So I ended up getting this bad boy, and it's going a lot faster. So I would recommend not using a screwdriver for the whole thing. Save your hands. I don't know what it is, but strangely, I weirdly enjoy doing this. Like, I don't know. Maybe I could like work in a factory, like I own an assembly line or something. We're gonna organize my makeup now. I wanted to show y'all I had also gotten these little organizers for like bronzers and things. So I ordered that from Amazon. And then I also ordered these, supposed to be good to organize all your makeup in. So I got 2 of those. These come with these little dividers and they just pop right in. They're adjustable. They have these little grooves that you can pop them into. So to divide your stuff up, you can customize it to whatever size you want. So they each come with 2 little dividers, and this was all in one set. So you've got 2 big, 2 smaller, and the dividers. And I got 2 sets. So with the second package I opened, you can see the little insert left like a sticky residue, and I've tried to peel it, but it's not coming off right now, and I don't feel like sitting here messing with it. Both of them left that. So, and also I tried to peel these stickers on the bottom off, and it's starting to leave that same residue that I cannot stand. Y'all know I hate a sticker residue. But overall, I think for cheap organization, pretty good. Okay, so here is the end result. There's my whole little setup, and I've got my bronzers, blushes, little trio set. We've got some highlighters in this drawer. We've got some setting powders. This is all brows here. And then these are like face foundation type powders. Setting sprays. And then these are odd and end little things. In here I've got all of my foundation sample packets, makeup wipes, some clips, eyelash curler, hairbands. And then over here we've got some lip. I've got lips in a few different places because I can't fit it all, but lip. We've got some individual eyeshadows and some eyeshadow primers. This is face primers. These are concealers. These are all of my drugstore foundations. And then these are my higher end. Most of my higher end foundations are in that one. We've got my brushes. This is my little setup for when I film. And then we've got lip liners, mascaras back here. These are a few extra lip products that I just didn't have anywhere to put. These are some newer ones. My favorite mascara here, my makeup sponge. As you can see, I need to change it out. It's falling apart. Got some extra little sponges here. This drawer is all eyeliners. This drawer is mascaras, extra mascaras. And then we've got little tools and odd and end things, sharpener, eyelashes, which I never use, and scissors and tweezers and things like that. Okay, and then in here we've got our eyeshadow palettes, the Huda, my favorites. This is one of my favorites. This one from Countertop. Oh, I love it. Tarte. Got some eyeshadow shields. We got some drugstore back there. Lots of Tarte. We got our Honest that we did a review on not too long ago. And then this one is just all over the place. I'm getting ready to do a look on this palette, a review. I haven't tested this out yet. This is the Mermaid palette, and it's got some really pretty, I mean, look at this, y'all. Some really pretty sparkly colors in it. So I'm going to try to do a review on this and try it out. So we've got that one. We've got the Too Faced White Peach. A lot of Bad Habit palettes I do like because they make a lot of good dupes for higher end palettes. So they have some really great colors. Lots of Too Faced. Again, lots of Tarte. Too Faced. Tarte. My palettes are just all over the place. This is one that I got, I think, in one of my subscription boxes. This one from BH Cosmetics is one of my favorites because it's got some really bold colors. MAC down in there. More Bad Habit. At some point, I'll try to organize all my palettes, but it is just impossible. So yeah, there's my whole little setup. And we got some new stuff that came in down here that we're going to do some videos on. So stay tuned. So I'm going to put the link for my makeup vanity desk, as well as this big lighted mirror that's behind it. And I'll go ahead and try to see if I can find some of these little containers. I know a lot of them I got off of Amazon, so. And then this, of course, came off of Amazon, so I'll go ahead and link that. And yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully it'll help some of y'all get more organized with your makeup. I know it's tough when you have a lot. Like I said, I'll throw those links down in the description. If you want to purchase those from Amazon, they'll be linked. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please subscribe. And I hope y'all have a good day. I'll see y'all in my next video.